You are probably familiar with the user account control dialog in Windows systems, which have started annoying you since Windows Vista came out. Well, Linux was annoying people from the very beginning. But in a more discreet way. That's why it's much more secure system than Windows ever was. In any case, those methods are there to protect your system from hackers, and many other inhumane beings from out of this world. Today I'm going to teach you how to use Linux's counterpart to Windows's administrator user. And of course, it can only be done from terminal. The famous command is called the sudo command. It is used when you need to execute other commands as the super user. For example, system configuration files that are out of your home directory can't be changed in any way by the default user commands. To give you an example, I'll try to edit a random configuration file. Since the program xcd was run by the default user, the save option is not active, which means that, this way, changing this configuration file is impossible. You need to add the sudo command before and then enter your password. That way you can edit any file in the system. Xcd program is letting you know that you have elevated privileges. In other words, you are editing this file as super user, and any changes you make can be saved. And, if you make a mistake, there will be consequences. This is a very simple and effective way of Linux operating system making sure that the right person is using the terminal. Because the right person is the one who knows the password. Right? Now let's try to rename some random file outside home directory. As you can see, system is returning negative answer and is reminding you that it needs your authentication, before it lets you do any changes. This time sudo will not ask for password, because we entered it earlier in the same terminal session. I'll return file's original name so the system won't go crazy on me. You will have to use this command very often. Whenever something needs to be changed in the system, you'll need the sudo command. Most commonly, you'll use it when installing new application from the terminal. If you want to know more details about the sudo command, use your knowledge from last few videos, where we learned how to look for more details about commands, and research as much as you need.